I'm Aletha with WTI, and I'm loving my small swivel task chair. I have a small office, but I needed a chair with lots of functionality, and this chair by EDX delivered in a large way. Not only was it very easy to put together, all the pieces were there that I needed, tools. It was a snap. Put the wheels on and I was ready to go. I love the fact that the swivel chair is easy to move around. It has 5 casters as opposed to 4. The colors that it comes in are awesome. It comes in any variety color. The seat cushion is so comfortable. Now this swivel chair goes up and down to the height that I wanted, which I love because I can use it at a table or a desk, or I can use it when I need to be down a little bit lower or higher. So with the press of the button, I can just move it down. It swivels all directions and it has lumbar support for my back. I really love this swivel task chair by EDX. It is a perfect addition to my small office. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.